I'm going to walk you through how I create an AI agent that helps escalate urgent tickets by changing their priority status on Zendesk. It's quite straightforward, and we'll start by hitting Create Agent first. We'll name this agent Escalation Manager. Next, we'll add a description and clear instructions for the agent. I've provided specific instructions. The agent should detect tickets where the customer mentions they will travel within the next 24 hours. It's supposed to change the ticket's priority to high, allowing us to address it immediately. Now, let's add the tools available to the agent. I'll scroll down to access all the Zendesk tools. We'll select Get Ticket and Add Internal Note. We'll also choose Update Ticket Priority. If needed, we could even have it assign tickets. Moving on, let's handle triggers. For this demonstration, we'll set one trigger, the first customer ticket message. You can add any trigger you prefer. With everything in place, let's save our work. Next, let me show you how this functions in Zendesk. Here's my ticket, and I'm just going to open it. The customer has clearly indicated they're traveling tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m., which is within 24 hours. As you can see, the AI agent has already done its job by changing the ticket's priority to high right here. It's as simple as that. If you have a scenario where you need to identify high-priority tickets with complete certainty, you can set up an agent like this in under 10 minutes.